Squats are often seen as a simple movement, but for older adults, they can be life-changing. This single exercise engages multiple muscle groups at once: the legs, hips, glutes, and core, building strength where it matters most. As we age, muscle loss becomes one of the biggest challenges to maintaining mobility and independence. Everyday tasks like climbing stairs, bending down, or standing up from a chair become harder not because we are weak in spirit, but because our muscles gradually lose strength and endurance. That's where squats come in. They mimic natural movements our bodies were designed to perform, making them one of the most practical and functional exercises for seniors. Doing squats regularly helps improve balance and stability, which reduces the risk of falls, a major concern for many older adults. Each controlled movement trains your body to stay steady, strengthens the connection between your muscles and your nervous system, and enhances coordination. Over time, this increased strength and control translate into more confidence while walking, standing, or moving around the house. It's not about doing deep, heavy squats like athletes. Even small, supported squats using a chair or wall can bring real results. Squats also play a powerful role in improving circulation and joint flexibility. When you squat, your blood flow increases, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles and joints. This helps reduce stiffness and makes everyday movement smoother and more comfortable. For people struggling with knee or hip discomfort, gentle squats, when done with proper form, can actually strengthen the muscles around the joints, offering better support and reducing pain over time. It's important to start slow, listen to your body, and focus on the correct technique rather than speed or intensity. Another overlooked benefit of squats is how they affect metabolism and energy levels. As you build muscle mass, your body naturally burns more calories even at rest. This helps manage weight and keeps your metabolism active, which tends to slow down with age. Stronger muscles also mean better posture, improved digestion, and increased stamina throughout the day. You'll find yourself feeling more capable, able to garden longer, carry groceries, or play with your grandkids without fatigue. Beyond physical health, the act of squatting promotes mental resilience. Every repetition is a reminder that strength isn't lost with age. It's regained through effort and consistency. For many seniors, doing squats becomes a form of empowerment, proving that the body still responds to care and movement. It can lift mood, reduce stress, and bring a sense of accomplishment. Exercise releases endorphins, the natural feel-good chemicals that help fight anxiety and depression, which can sometimes increase with age or reduced activity levels. Incorporating squats into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. You can start by standing up and sitting down from a chair 10 times, using your hands for support if needed. Gradually, as you gain strength, you'll notice it gets easier. That's your progress, quiet, steady, and powerful. Squats don't just build your legs. They build your independence, your confidence, and your ability to live life on your own terms. No matter your age, you don't need fancy gym equipment, complicated routines, or hours of intense workouts to maintain health and vitality after 60. Functional movement, the kind of exercise that mirrors the motions you use every day, can be more effective than elaborate training programs. These movements strengthen the muscles you rely on most, improve balance, and enhance coordination, which are crucial for staying active, independent, and injury-free as you age. When exercise is designed to support real-life activities, it becomes more than just a workout. It becomes a tool for living better and moving more confidently throughout your day. Many older adults assume that only structured workouts or long walks count as exercise, but the truth is that simple natural movements can have a far greater impact. Movements like sitting down and standing up repeatedly, gently bending, reaching, or twisting engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, activating both the legs and core while improving flexibility. These actions train the body to handle the physical challenges that come with aging, such as getting up from a low chair, reaching for objects on high shelves, or maintaining balance on uneven surfaces. By focusing on functional exercises, you are essentially preparing your body for everyday life rather than isolated gym performance, which makes your daily routines easier, safer, and more enjoyable. The beauty of functional exercises is that they can be adapted to your level of fitness and physical ability. If full squats feel too challenging, partial squats or chair-supported versions still provide tremendous benefits. If reaching or bending causes discomfort, gentle stretching and mobility work can be incorporated to gradually increase your range of motion. The key is consistency and proper form, not intensity or complexity. Over time, your body adapts, muscles strengthen, and movements that once felt difficult become effortless, giving you a greater sense of control over your body and your life. Functional movements also help maintain proper posture and alignment, which often deteriorates with age due to muscle weakness or sedentary habits. Exercises that mimic daily activities strengthen the postural muscles in your back, shoulders, and core, helping you stand taller, walk more confidently, and reduce strain on joints. This not only improves physical health, but also boosts self-confidence, energy, and mental clarity. When you feel strong and balanced, you are more likely to stay active and engage in social and recreational activities, which further supports overall well-being. Another advantage of functional exercises is that they can be done almost anywhere, without the need for a gym or expensive equipment. Standing up from a chair, wall push-ups, gentle lunges, and balance exercises can all be incorporated into your home routine. By integrating these movements into your daily life, exercise becomes a natural part of your routine rather than a chore, making it easier to stay consistent and see results. Functional exercises also support joint health by encouraging controlled, full-range movements that strengthen muscles around key joints like the knees, hips, and shoulders. This helps reduce stiffness, improves mobility, and lowers the risk of injury. Because these exercises mimic everyday motions, the strength and coordination gain transfer directly into real-world activities, making everything from carrying groceries to playing with grandchildren easier and safer. By focusing on functional movement, older adults can improve their strength, balance, and overall mobility without relying on complex or strenuous exercise routines. The goal is to create a body that moves efficiently and confidently, capable of handling the physical demands of daily life while reducing the risk of falls and injuries. These simple, adaptable exercises build a foundation for a healthier, more independent, and more energetic life, allowing you to maintain freedom, vitality, and confidence as you age. Nutrition plays an essential role in maintaining health, energy, and vitality after 60, and it is just as important as regular exercise. The food you eat provides the fuel and building blocks your body needs to function at its best, repair tissues, support immune function, and protect against age-related decline. Eating well doesn't mean following complicated diets, extreme restrictions, or expensive supplements. It means focusing on real, whole foods that nourish your body, stabilize your energy, and promote overall well-being. Simple, thoughtful choices can have a profound impact on your health and quality of life, helping you feel younger, stronger, and more energetic every day. One of the most important components of a healthy diet for older adults is protein. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles, which naturally weaken with age. Incorporating lean sources of protein such as fish, chicken, eggs, beans, and legumes into your meals helps maintain muscle mass, strengthen bones, and support recovery after exercise. Protein also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping energy steady throughout the day and preventing fatigue or sudden crashes. Pairing protein with complex carbohydrates like whole grains, sweet potatoes, or brown rice provides sustained energy for both physical activity and mental clarity, allowing you to stay active and alert. Fruits and vegetables are another key element of a nourishing diet. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support heart and brain health. Colorful vegetables and fruits, from leafy greens and bell peppers to berries and oranges, supply a variety of nutrients that your body needs for longevity. Fiber from these foods also aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and promotes feelings of fullness, which prevents overeating and supports metabolic health. Healthy fats are equally important and should not be avoided. Sources like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds provide essential fatty acids that support brain function, hormone balance, and cardiovascular health. These fats help reduce inflammation, improve joint flexibility, and even contribute to glowing skin and hair, reinforcing the connection between what you eat and how youthful you feel. Limiting processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive salt helps prevent energy spikes and crashes, lowers the risk of chronic diseases, and keeps your body functioning efficiently. Hydration is another often overlooked aspect of nutrition that significantly impacts energy levels, cognitive function, and joint health. Older adults may be more prone to dehydration due to reduced thirst perception, so drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential. Herbal teas, fresh fruit-infused water, and soups can contribute to fluid intake while adding additional nutrients. Small, consistent changes in diet are more sustainable and effective than drastic measures. Simple swaps like replacing white bread with whole grains, snacking on nuts instead of chips, or adding an extra serving of vegetables to each meal create lasting improvements in health. By paying attention to what you eat and choosing foods that nourish rather than deplete your body, you support your immune system, maintain energy levels, and protect against age-related decline. Over time, these nutritional habits not only help you feel physically stronger, but also contribute to mental clarity, emotional balance, and a sense of overall well-being that keeps you moving forward with confidence and vitality. The way you think and feel about life has a profound impact on your health, energy, and overall sense of youthfulness, especially after 60. A positive mindset can be just as important as exercise and nutrition, influencing how your body functions, how you respond to stress, and how resilient you are in the face of challenges. People who approach aging with optimism, curiosity, and gratitude tend to maintain better physical health, recover more quickly from illness, and feel more energetic and engaged in life. Mental and emotional wellness are deeply connected to physical well-being, and cultivating a positive attitude can enhance every aspect of your daily life. One of the most powerful aspects of a positive mindset is its ability to reduce stress. Chronic stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can weaken the immune system, increase inflammation, and contribute to weight gain or cardiovascular issues. By focusing on gratitude, mindfulness, and constructive thinking, older adults can lower stress levels and protect their bodies from the damaging effects of negative emotions. Simple practices, such as taking a few deep breaths, reflecting on what you are thankful for, or finding joy in small daily moments, can create measurable improvements in both mental and physical health over time. Curiosity and a willingness to learn also play a crucial role in maintaining a youthful mind. Engaging in new activities, exploring hobbies, or challenging yourself to learn something unfamiliar stimulates brain function, supports cognitive health, and fosters a sense of purpose. Lifelong learning keeps neural pathways active, which may help delay age-related cognitive decline and improve memory and problem-solving skills. Whether it's picking up a musical instrument, learning a new language, or experimenting with creative projects, staying mentally active contributes to a sense of vitality and engagement that radiates into other areas of life. Connection and social engagement are additional components of a positive mindset. Maintaining relationships with family, friends, and community provides emotional support, reduces feelings of isolation, and encourages an active lifestyle. Conversations, shared activities, and moments of laughter release endorphins, improve mood, and even enhance immune function. Older adults who prioritize social interactions often report higher satisfaction with life, more energy, and a stronger sense of purpose, all of which support longevity and overall well-being. Another key element of a positive mindset is resilience, the ability to adapt to challenges and setbacks without losing hope or motivation. Life after 60 may present physical changes, health concerns, or unexpected obstacles, but approaching these challenges with a proactive and solution-focused attitude allows you to maintain control over your life. Resilience is built through daily habits such as setting achievable goals, celebrating small successes, and practicing self-compassion. It empowers you to face difficulties with confidence, reducing anxiety and enhancing both physical and emotional health. Finally, a positive mindset influences daily choices in subtle yet powerful ways. People who think positively are more likely to engage in healthy behaviors such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep because they see these actions as investments in their well-being rather than burdens. This virtuous cycle of positivity, action, and reinforcement creates momentum, making it easier to sustain healthy habits and enjoy life more fully. By nurturing optimism, curiosity, and resilience, older adults can cultivate a mindset that supports not only mental and emotional wellness, but also physical vitality, allowing them to thrive, feel energetic, and embrace each day with enthusiasm and confidence. Consistency is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining health, energy, and vitality after 60, and it is often overlooked in favor of quick fixes or dramatic changes. Small, daily habits may seem insignificant in the moment, but over time, they accumulate into profound improvements in strength, balance, mood, and overall well-being. By focusing on achievable routines rather than perfection, older adults can create a sustainable path to better health and a more youthful, energetic life. The key is to integrate simple practices into your day in a way that feels natural, manageable, and even enjoyable, so they become a part of your lifestyle rather than a burdensome task. One of the most effective ways to harness the power of small habits is through regular, gentle exercise. Even a few minutes of targeted movements, such as squats, stretches, or balance exercises, performed consistently each day, can strengthen muscles, improve flexibility, and support joint health. These small bursts of activity help maintain independence and mobility, making everyday tasks easier and reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Unlike sporadic, intense workouts that can be overwhelming or discouraging, short daily routines are more sustainable and encourage a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing the habit over time. Healthy eating is another area where consistency matters. Rather than attempting drastic diets or following trends, adopting simple, repeatable habits like incorporating a serving of vegetables into every meal, drinking enough water throughout the day, and choosing lean protein sources help support energy levels, digestion, and immune function. Small, mindful changes create a lasting foundation for wellness and prevent the ups and downs that come with inconsistent eating patterns. Over time, these choices compound, leading to noticeable improvements in vitality, body composition, and overall health without feeling restrictive or stressful. Sleep and rest are equally critical for maintaining long-term health, and establishing a consistent sleep routine can have dramatic effects on energy, mood, and cognitive function. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, limiting screen time before bed, and creating a calm, comfortable sleep environment allow the body to repair itself, regulate hormones, and restore mental clarity. Consistent rest enhances the benefits of exercise and nutrition, creating a balanced cycle that supports both physical and mental wellness.